Hello, my name's Nathan and I'm from South Africa and I'm going to teach you how to make a paper plane. It's called a back Roger. So, now, first step, we take this corner of the paper and fold it all the way down so it makes, you just really got to nail that crease like properly. And then you open it up and you do the other corner. And then you take, now you can just do another one. I'll just quickly do another one. And then you fold them, then you can put your hand there, and then you just make it like that. Fold it all together until it makes like a kind of thing like this. Okay, now you see you have this part. And now you just gotta take your this part and fold it all the way up there. And fold it up there. And now you got the two creases. You can just really nail them. And now you can take another one. You take this one and fold it again. And you take the other one and fold it again. There you go. And now you see you got this part. And you're gonna fold it over like that. And then take this, and then you have your two slits here. You open them up and fold it in there, in your slits. And then that way you can hold it when you fly. You just gotta take your hands and slip them underneath. But now, I'm going to teach you how to make the wings. And the wings go like this. You take this part of it and fold it down. But you just got to leave a little space there. And then you take this corner and fold it all the way. And it just needs to line up. Cool, like as neat as you can. Okay, and then you take your neck part of it and fold it to there. And there's your back Roger. All done. I'm going to show you how it flies. Thank you for watching my video.